So this morning, I'm delighted to say that I have Dr. Edo Becker with me to talk about the upcoming PEFTEC exhibition and conference, which takes place on the 24th to the 25th of November. This year, it will, of course, be virtual. Edo is a technology consultant in process analysis and has been a long-time friend and participant in PEFTEC events. So it's great to have you here, Edo, and I know that you're involved with one of the sessions on day one, but could we start with a description of what's likely to happen in the process conference on day two, the 25th of November?
Yes, good morning, Graham, and nice to see you again, actually. Yes, on the second day, we do a lot of talks on process analysis, starting with a great introduction by my good old friend David Littlejohn from the University of Strathclyde. He is the head of the CPEFTEC organization, and he is going to talk about inferential analysis and the use of big data in process analysis and control. That leads us nicely to a range of talks from university, industry, and instrument suppliers, covering the complete range of process analysis, from sample taking to data analysis and the application of those data in the optimization of chemical engineering reactors and process analysis.
Okay, sounds good. So, of course, the timing of the presentations will be critical because, as I understand it, people who are registered to attend PEFTEC will be able to drop in and drop out any time they like. And that might mean that you as a chairman have to restrict the questions. But as I understand it, the platform that the conference is being run on gives people the opportunity to chat online during the conference itself, and also to submit questions and to arrange meetings with the speakers after the event. And also, you mentioned that CPEFTEC are giving the keynote presentation. I believe they are also having an exhibition booth. And of course, that reminds us that there'll be a large number of online exhibition booths accompanying the event. So many of the process analysis technologies that are referred to will be actually developed and manufactured by some of the companies that will be exhibiting. So people will have the opportunity to link up. It's a bit like a dating website. You can
yes, exactly.
After you've registered, you'll be able to have a look at the other people that have registered, and you'll be able to send a connection request, and then that person will have the opportunity to accept or decline that offer. And then once you're connected, then you can arrange a meeting, ask questions, and so on. And so the speakers will be able to do that in case they're not able to answer all of the questions at the presentations. The other thing I wanted to ask you was, how should we define, anybody who is thinking that possibly they're interested in registering for this event, how should we define those people that would find it most useful? What are their job descriptions or areas of interest, would you say?
Yeah, that's a great question. I mean, we tailor these presentations to a wide range of people, actually. People who are already experienced in the area of process analysis will find some hints and tips and new context to expand their knowledge. Then also somebody who has only recently heard about process analysis will be able to get a good overview of a range of technologies available, be it spectroscopic technologies or more traditional technologies like online GC. And they also are going to be able to make contacts with key people in the process analysis industry to further their knowledge and to introduce themselves to understand what process analysis, what robust process analysis is all about. And last but not least, I think plant managers are going to benefit from attending these presentations as well, actually, just to gain an understanding what's possible with process analysis and how it can help them to achieve a better performance of their plant assets. Yeah.
Sure.
So I think from entrance level engineers up to plant managers, there's something for everybody to gain from the attendance of these presentations.
And as well as industry, presumably it would be of interest to academia, researchers, and I guess with it being virtual and free, it would be ideal for students. And the other advantage, of course, with it being virtual is that people can come to the event without having to get on a plane or book a hotel from anywhere in the world.
Absolutely,
so
yes.
Hopefully, this event will involve many more people than it would normally.
Yes, that's right. I mean, in times of COVID, we are all restricted in terms of traveling, and I have to thank ILM exhibitions for making this possible, actually. So, and I think looking at the program, the scientific content is really excellent. Actually, we cover a wide range of participants already, as I said before. And yeah, I think it's going to be a great success, and it's great to enable everybody to participate in these conferences and the presentations. Yeah.
That's great. Thanks so much for your time, Edo. Look forward to seeing you online at the conference.
Thank you.
Cheers.